In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted products in Shopify. If you've ever accidentally deleted a product from your store, you'll know how stressful that can feel. Shopify doesn't have a simple undo button for deleted products, but there is a reliable workaround if you've previously exported your products. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through that process step by step, so you can bring those deleted items back into your store. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard and log into your store. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side and find the option labeled Products. Go ahead and click on Products. This is where all of your active and draft products normally live. Now, here's the important part. Shopify itself cannot restore a deleted product with a single button. Once something is deleted, it's gone from the interface. However, if you exported your products to a CSV file before the deletion happened, you can use that file to re-import the missing products. At the top right of the products page, you'll see an option called Import. Click on Import. A panel or pop-up will appear asking you to upload a CSV file of your products. Next, click on Add File. This will open a file picker window on your computer. Navigate to the location where you previously saved your Shopify product export file. This file is usually a CSV that you downloaded using the export feature in Shopify. Select that file and confirm. Once the file is selected, click on Upload and Preview. Shopify will read the CSV and show you a preview of what's about to be imported. This is a crucial moment to double check that the products listed in the preview match what you expect, especially the ones you deleted and want to restore. If everything looks correct in the preview, click on Import Products. Shopify will start processing the CSV and recreating those products in your store, including their titles, descriptions, pricing, and other data contained in the file. When the import is complete, you'll see a confirmation message. At this point, click on Close to exit the import panel and return to your products page. Your previously deleted products should now appear in your list again. To prevent future headaches, it's a good habit to regularly export your products, especially before making large edits or bulk deletions. That way, you'll always have a backup